Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And so guys, this is my second video which I am uploading after a long break. So today's topic is how to make a cycle silencer by using the plastic bottles. So guys, let's start it. First we need a plastic bottle. So guys, I already made this bottle as a silencer of my cycle, and I am using it in a cycle. And now I just remote to show you. And so guys, as you can see, I have just cut off back portion of the bottle, and here we don't need the bottle cap, so I have just removed it. And I made a design, some designs on the bottle, so that it can look attractive. And then the main part of the bottle silencer is these two cuts. See guys, these two cuts which I have made in a bottle, or we can use a glue gun. I just took a shirt piece box, and we need a piece of the box just like this, which I have cut earlier. See guys, and then we have to insert into these two slots properly. See guys, and then our silencer is ready to fix into the cycle. Yes guys, here is my cycle, and I will fix the bottle over here. I already fixed it, but see what happened to my cycle. So guys, I will just roll the gum tape over this rod because my cycle is getting damaged. So guys, using this clamps and nut and bolt, I'm going to fix this bottle into my cycle. And here we go,